Ever felt like you're juggling flaming chainsaws? Between work emails, that surprise client call, and keeping everyone on the team happy, managing expenses can feel like another fire to put out. Especially when you're on the go, business expenses can turn into a chaotic mess of crumpled receipts and frantic calculations. But what if there was a way to streamline that process, a way to ditch the paper trail and say goodbye to expense report headaches? Enter the Expensify card, your secret weapon against expense report chaos. But before we dive into the nitty-gritty of where you can use it, let's address the elephant in the room. Is the Expensify card a credit card? Nope. The Expensify card is a prepaid debit card. This means you're not building up debt, you're simply spending the money your company has already allocated for your expenses. Think of it like a virtual wallet specifically for business costs, topped up with funds to keep your spending on track. Now, let's get down to business. Where can I use my Expensify card? The beauty of the Expensify card is its versatility. Almost anywhere that accepts debit cards is fair game. Here are some common expense scenarios where your Expensify card will become your best friend. Travel warrior, mileage munchers rejoice. Gas stations, rental car agencies, and airlines all happily accept the Expensify card. No more scrambling for receipts at the airport, just tap, pay, and move on with your business trip. Foodie Fridays, client lunches, team outings, or grabbing a quick bite on the go, restaurants of all kinds accept the Expensify card. Snap a photo of the receipt with the Expensify app and categorize it later, easy as pie. Office supplies on deck, running low on printer ink or whiteboard markers? No sweat. The Expensify card works at office supply stores, electronic stores, and any retailer that sells the things that keep your office humming. Software subscriptions. In today's digital world, subscriptions are king. From project management tools to cloud storage, the Expensify card can handle those recurring software fees, keeping your business accounts organized. Keeping it professional, need to register for a conference or buy a business phone plan? The Expensify card has you covered. Anything that falls under the umbrella of legitimate business expenses is fair game. But what about those unexpected costs? Let's face it, sometimes things come up. A client meeting runs late, and you need to grab a cab. Your internet connection goes down, and you need to find a co-working space to stay productive. The Expensify card is there for those moments too. Just remember, it's always a good idea to check with your company's expense policy before swiping your card for anything out of the ordinary. So, is the Expensify card right for you? If you're a frequent traveler, someone who spends a lot on client entertainment, or simply want a way to streamline your expense reporting, then the Expensify card is a game changer. It saves you time, keeps your finances organized, and eliminates the dreaded paper trail. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.